Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back. So starting off with this tutorial, my hair is already washed. If you guys would like an updated wash routine, I would do that. So I'm going to start by clipping my hair away, and I wash my hair in twists to make it easier for me. And I'm going to start in the back. I just like to start in the back, it's easier. And I just take these sections and I'm going to make these smaller, and you want to make sure that your sections are straight as possible when you're doing mini twists, so you won't have to deal with stray hairs entangling. So this is what the section looks like after me, separating it, getting it straight as possible because it's hard. And I'm just going to twist this small section down, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to make that section smaller, and again I'm making sure my parts are straight. And so I'm just going to add my products to this section. And you also want to make sure that each section in that twist is equal, so you can have longevity of the twist and you won't have to deal with stray hairs again. So I make sure that the ends are fully saturated and smooth as possible, so I can twirl the ends so I won't have to deal with knots. And this is what the twists look like in the back, and I finished the rest off camera. So here they are. They look so juicy. So in the front, I'm just going to have some flat twists because I do have shorter hair in the front, and I just don't want to have shorter twists, like individual twists in the front. So I'm just parting my hair, and I'm going to twist my hair to the scalp. So what's so called flat twists? Yeah, I'm just going to have flat twists. And again, I'm going to make sure each of my parts are straight as I can get them. I can get straight parts if I want to, but it is difficult. But yeah, I'm just trying to get them straight here. And again, I'm going to be creating twists going forward towards my face. I don't want to twist the hair the opposite direction because I am dealing with shorter hair and I have cowlick in the front of my head. So I just feel like if I twist it this way, if I twist it this way, it'll look better. And y'all filming this tutorial, I almost cried because I look bald in the front. And I was like, oh my God, I never looked like this before. And I've had cowlick all my life, so I don't know why I'm tripping, but yeah. And I just created just 2 in the front. Well, no, 3 to the scalp, because I didn't want to do the whole front again because I was looking bald and I didn't like it. So I just added individual twists throughout the rest of the hair when I got the 3 flat twists that I wanted. So again, you want to moisturize it and comb it out to have a smooth base, and then you want to twist it all the way down. So you guys, here's a close-up. I make sure my part is completely straightened, so I won't have any stray hairs or anything or messed up parts. And so I want to moisturize the area with my products. Then I'm going to take some combs to make sure it's smooth and I'm working in that product. And I'm just going to split this section equally. And I start at the root tightly. And I take that section and lap it over each other. And I twist the hair as I go. So I'm twisting it to the right. And then I just fold it over each other. And this is how you properly twist your hair. And you can go back and forth with the comb to make sure the section is smooth all the way to the end. And add extra product if need be. Then I twirl the end. And this is what the twist looks like. So you guys, to moisturize the scalp, we want to use warm water. Warm water, okay? And I want to spray this all throughout my scalp. And you guys, I got this tip from Taste Pink because I usually just take some oil out of a bottle and just put it on my scalp. But I saw when she did this with the perm brush or whatever this brush is. I use this brush to apply my henna, but when I saw her use it to apply the oil on the scalp, I was like, yes. And this really gets the product on your scalp without getting it everywhere. I just think this is so genius. And so I'm just going to apply the oil all throughout my scalp. And after that, I'm going to massage it in. And you guys, this is the complete tutorial. If you guys found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And if it's anything else you guys would like to see, let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.